Hi there, students. To jury-rig, a verb. Jury-rigged, an adjective. Jury-rigging, I guess the noun. Okay, this originally comes from the days of sailing with sailing boats. And very often if you're in a sailing boat, there's a storm or an accident, and part of the boat gets broken. Yeah, and you need to repair it as you can. And to jury rigging, is to make temporary, makeshift repairs with only the tools and materials that you have on the ship. Yeah. So you jury rig the ship to make it be able to carry on moving through the sea. Yeah, and this is the idea of jury rigging. Yeah, you could jury rig any part of the boat. So to jury rig is to make improvised repairs. Yeah, is to repair something with whatever you've got available. Yeah, do it in a makeshift way. Yeah, so they jury the car broke down and they jury rigged the engine to make it continue working. Yeah, okay, so it's a temporary makeshift repair using anything and everything that's available to you in the place, but you don't have the right equipment to make a proper repair. Yeah, so you assemble it quickly from whatever is at hand in order to make it work. Yeah, so the lighting in the concert went out and they jury rigged the lighting from the headlights of cars. Yeah, maybe the rudder on a ship snaps off. Yeah, so you've got to jury rig it and find some way of steering your boat, and this is the idea. Now, if we look at the origin of this, so rigging in a ship are the ropes that go along to hold the sails in position. Yeah, and the jury rigging is the superstructure, the bit with all the ropes. And the word jury, in this case, jury comes from an old word meaning makeshift, temporary. And that's the idea of something that is jury rigged. Yeah, so it's like temporary rigging, temporary solution. Yeah, improvised solution. Yeah, I think jury from adjure in Old French, to aid. Yeah, so something is jury rigged. You find some way of making it work using whatever you have available. By the way, you can also actually use this phrase jury rigged or to jury rig with a completely different meaning. So a jury in a court are the people who decide if somebody is guilty or not guilty. And then we have the verb to rig, yeah, in this case meaning to manipulate the solution of something. Yeah, to jury rig, to engage in jury rigging, tampering with the jury, trying to influence the jurors to get a certain result. It's possible. Yeah, so jury rigging is a very serious offence, but that's just something completely different. Okay, so to jury rig, to knock together, to cobble together, yeah, to create a makeshift improvised solution. Yeah, to jury rig, to assemble hastily from whatever you've got at hand so that something works at least in a temporary way. And that's the idea of it. So something jury-rigged. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To jury-rigged, jury-rigging.